3, 2, 1, go. Zooming to the center of the field. Lots of robot action, but only 507D able to come away with a neutral mobile goal. That's Mustang Robotics. But over on the red side, 29-760C. Let's meet the teams in qualification match number 103. In red from Redding, California, it's 29-760C, Cosmos. And their partners from Monroe, Michigan, it's 3547A, Virus Midas. In blue, from Chula Vista, California, it's 507D, Mustang Robotics. And their partners from Terrebonne, Quebec, it's 15376D, Vortex 3S. We've got a big fight over here between Vortex and Midas. There's one blue, one red, one neutral mobile goal involved. Unclear which mobile goal Virus is going for. Possibly that neutral one, but if they steal the blue as well, it'll be a big D score in favor of the Red Alliance. And over on the other side, we've got more fighting as well. That's between Cosmos and Mustang. Mustang on blue. They've got a blue mobile goal loaded up with lots and lots of rings. Both of these robots with neutral goals in the sky. A lot of rings scored on that mobile goal by Cosmos. All of those still from the autonomous period. No more rings being scored so far by that red robot since the start of driver control. Coming down to the last 30 seconds, and we see Cosmos showing off their carrying capacity. They've got 3 mobile goals loaded up, 1 red and 2 neutral ones. 23 seconds left. We see 507 Mustang putting a neutral goal on top of that platform, but they're not able to keep it balanced. And 15 seconds remaining. These platforms became protected. And we've got Cosmos on red. They're able to get that platform balanced, and they're elevated with 3 mobile goals. Their teammates, Virus, they're hanging one of those blue mobile goals off the edge of the field. That's going to be a D score if it stays there. And looks like that's the end of the match.